What is going on, everybody? My name is Aaron. This is my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a video of this car. It's been 6 or 7 years. It's been apart in my garage. I was planning on doing a whole 997 Tech Art theme on the front end of this car. I basically just went back to stock for now, just to kind of get it back on the road, and the prices of these are going up. So when or if I ever do eventually sell it, it'll be 100% completely stock. I bought the original wheels for it, original front end for it, everything. So today we got a video. I'm going to kind of show you what this sounds like. As of right now, my Sport Muffler has a custom prototype X-pipe exhaust that I helped develop with two 3.5-inch billet aluminum beveled exhaust tips. But I also have secondary cat or delete pipes, but they're also called mid pipes. So right now I'm running primary headers with first cats, and then no secondary cats. They're just straight pipes back to the Sport Muffler. I wanted to let you guys know this is a Circuit Works exhaust Sport Muffler that I helped develop. He sent it overseas and had it jigged up. It is an X-pipe exhaust, so the X is at the end of the exhaust before it comes out the tips. It has a little bit of a distinctive note to it. And what I'm doing this video for is because I just ordered in some catless long tube headers, which is better for HP gain and torque. And I'm just doing a kind of a startup and rev, like a cold start, a rev, and maybe a warm rev video to show you the difference in the sound. I don't know how those are going to sound yet, but I know they're going to be extremely loud. So we're going to do a video right now of this, and then I'll do an unboxing of those headers. I'll tell you about those. Again, a screaming good deal on there. I'll link the item description in the below the website. So let's start this thing up. So, as you can see, it's a lot louder. This sounds amazing. I was doing tunnel runs. I did kind of a partial rally with the Wilderness Trail region, PORSCHE Club of America. This thing sounds absolutely incredible with the top down. With the top up, obviously the windows are a little bit thicker, but you know, it's so much better when the exhaust is right over your head. I did de-snorkel the side air intake, so it is a lot louder engine-wise in here. I put a K&N drop filter in here for now. It will get modified eventually. I am going to do an ECU tune on it, probably do an underdrive pulley, and then obviously we're going to start doing some maybe Terra Engineering GT3 sway bar links, torsion bars, sway bars. We'll start getting into that after, but this thing's going to be going on some rallies and some autocross things probably this year, hopefully. But hopefully you guys like that. I'll do a couple more revs, and then we'll just cut the video short. Thank you all for watching, and I'll do a lot more videos of this car as I progress through the build. It's mid-January, and it's like 50 degrees outside right now, so I figured I'd do a nice video of the car. It's a little dirty. I did drive it the other day, and I didn't wash it. You can't wash a car every day, so I'll do a couple more revs now that it's warmed up a little bit, and then we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Goodbye.